Are you ready for the world that's coming? The technological shifts on the horizon are so profound, many of us aren't even prepared for the scale of the change. We are standing on the precipice of a future shaped by exponential technology. This isn't just about faster computers, it's about redefining what it means to be human. The accelerating pace of change means that tomorrow will look vastly different than today. Get ready for future shock, as familiar concepts break down under the weight of innovation. We'll explore three major shifts: the AI revolution reshaping work, the possibilities and ethics of bioengineering, and the mind-bending reality of digital immortality and the metaverse. First, let's talk about the AI revolution. It's moving faster than almost any expert predicted, and its impact on the global workforce is imminent. Automation isn't just replacing factory workers anymore. AI is now capable of performing high-level cognitive tasks, threatening jobs previously thought safe, like coding, legal analysis, and creative work. The future of work lies in human-AI collaboration. New roles will emerge centered on managing, training, and utilizing artificial intelligence to augment human capabilities. With widespread job displacement possible, many economists predict a serious discussion around universal basic income or other forms of economic restructuring to ensure societal stability. Next, let's look at the future of the human body and mind, driven by breakthroughs in bioengineering and human enhancement. Gene editing technologies like CRISPR promise to eradicate hereditary diseases and usher in an era of highly personalized medicine, optimizing health at the genetic level. Bionic limbs are becoming seamless, and brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are moving out of the lab, potentially giving us direct access to digital information and enhanced cognitive abilities. But these enhancements raise serious questions. Will they exacerbate inequality, creating a divide between the enhanced and unenhanced? The ethics need addressing now. Our final frontier is the digital realm, exploring concepts like persistent virtual worlds and the ultimate fantasy, digital immortality. The metaverse isn't just gaming, it's persistent virtual worlds where commerce, socializing, and even professional life will take place, making our digital identity as crucial as our physical one. The most radical concept is mind uploading, transferring a copy of human consciousness to a digital substrate, promising a form of digital immortality. This challenges our fundamental understanding of life and death. Soon, the line between our physical reality and our digital existence will blur, making it difficult to discern where one begins and the other ends. This fusion is the true frontier. The future is arriving rapidly, bringing unprecedented opportunities and existential risks. These changes demand more than just technological readiness. They demand a societal shift. To prepare, we must prioritize education focused on adaptability, critical thinking, and creativity. We must learn to work with, not against, these new technologies. The future world may be one no one is fully ready for, but by embracing adaptability and ethical foresight, we can guide these powerful forces toward a positive outcome for humanity.